Well, good morning, everybody. Here we are on a Monday, and I do see a pretty warm temperature 24-hour cast, especially considering it's the middle of February, right? Starting in the 50s, likely going to make it into the 70s. And I even think this evening into tomorrow morning, we're going to keep it up over 60 in many spots. Now, the radar, it's not going to be completely quiet all day, but it's not going to be like it was yesterday. A few sprinkles here, a few sprinkles there, probably the most we're looking at today and tomorrow. Both, it's more about the clouds and that unsettled look and feel today, where it looks like it should be raining a lot more than it actually does. And as warmer air starts to push north from the south, what will happen is we'll start to see maybe more of these clouds sort of linger. But if we get a few breaks in that overcast, we can get those temperatures maybe into the mid-70s this afternoon. A couple of light sprinkles in Thomasville right now where it's 52. In Valdosta is more clouds and 54. Tallahassee, clouds and 57. The region-wide temperature look shows 48 in Blakely, 58 at Carabel, 55 for Monticello, 52 for Camilla. So really, it's mostly numbers in the 50s. I see a little bit of a breeze that's turning more and more to the east. It'll continue turning farther to the south to help bring in some of that warmer and more humid air later today, tonight, and tomorrow. We've got some fog out there. Of course we do with all the rain from yesterday, but most visibilities are doing better than 3 miles out there, so it's not going to be widespread dense fog. Now, there aren't a lot of outstanding surface features. What we will notice is that little surge of warmer air is going to start to push a little further up the east coast, where it's been awfully cold for the past couple of days. The next push of colder air is way off to our north and west. That won't arrive until probably Friday. So from now till then, we're going to keep it kind of warm. We're going to be looking for those next chances to get wet. I think Wednesday, Thursday will be our best shot for that as that next boundary approaches and some energy rides along it. But it's not going to be one of those big-time sweeping changes, and I do not expect large, widespread showers or storms. We'll watch and see how things play out from now till then, when it's really more about the clouds and a few breaks in that overcast more than anything else. So today, tomorrow, unsettled is the term we use for it. Maybe a better chance to get wet as we get to Wednesday, Thursday. On the Gulf today, winds out of the south and southeast, starting to turn a little bit more from the south, but light. We've got the low tides all finished now, so we'll go back to high tides later on this morning and early this afternoon. 50s and 60s, climb into the 70s. Let's leave the rain chances around 30% for today. I'm not expecting much, but I can't rule out a sprinkle or two. If a few breaks in the overcast happen, I think it can. We can see 74, 75, 76 for highs. Tonight it's back in the 60s with more clouds, a little more fog tomorrow morning too. The rain chances inch up a little tomorrow, but I think Wednesday, Thursday, that's our best shot. That's when the temperatures will start to tumble a little bit. And when we do clear back up at the end of the week, yep, we will cool down.